I used to think that I was a good thinker. I thought that, yeah, I did. Other people told me I was a good thinker. I make my living thinking. So I kind of bought into my own Kool-Aid, lemonade, whatever you drink, that I was a good thinker. And then I discovered I was not. You know why? Because when I got into my future, I brought my previous way of thinking, previous way of assimilating information, previous way of making decisions, previous way of relationships. And what I did was I had a new future, but I didn't have new thinking. I want to ask you, do you want a new future? And the answer is yes. I see you saying yes. My bigger question is, can your old thinking take you to your new future? Or do you need new thinking for your new future? And your new thinking will come from, first of all, recognizing you need new thinking for the new future. And number two, the big question, who can help me think for my new future? So I have people in my life. When I have ideas, they help me process it. They don't tell me if it's a good idea or a bad idea, it will work, not work. That is not the question. The question is, help me think it through. I might do it, might not do it. I might do it later. I might rearrange it. I might just totally chuck it. The question is not whether it's a good idea, bad idea, should I do it, should not do it. That's not the question. The question is, how should I think about what I'm dealing with? How can I process that? I know you want a new future, but for you to get into a new future, you've got to have new thinking. Two things: acknowledge you need new thinking. Number two, surround yourself with people who can help you think new.